So I am going to show you guys the first VillabeauTIFFul advent calendar. So let me open this beauty up. Haha, she looks gorgeous. And I just want to rip everything open. Okay, so let's get these organized. Which is number one? Got number two. So, like every other VillabeauTIFFul kit, we do have the folder. And oh my god, guys, I am not waiting 12 days. That's why I want to show you guys everything right now. And I still, oh, there we go. Number one. Let's go ahead and open her up. Now, I want to try to save the stickers, but I'm okay if they don't get saved. Ooh, okay. And number one has these cute little bows, paper clips. They're a tool. We've got a pink one and a white one. Super cute. Okay, let's move on to number two. On number two, a sticker. It's already. We've got washi. Okay, we got some washi. I'll roll these out for you guys in a bit, but it's going to be a rose gold washi. Number three, that's 6. Number 3 is going to be one of our favorites. Look at that little bookmare sticker. Yes! She's gorgeous! It is a VillabeauTIFFul pen. Look at the crystals inside. And then pink, and it's matte. So I'll open that for you guys so y'all can see and have a better look. I love the new matte finishes. Look at how beautiful this is. Okay, that is 3. 4 is this one right here. Ooh, 4 is pretty. 4 is a set of pretty notes. Look at how cute that is. I love the pink on this. And that reminds me of a Kate Spade bag, which I love Kate Spade. Now it's time for 5. I like the little vanity. It's so cute. In 5, we've got the nail decals, well, for the pens as well. Super cute. They have a rose gold foil. On number 6, let's see what magic's in here. Ooh, this, okay. I think this one might be my favorite one in the box. So, look at those crystals. Look gorgeous. This one is matte as well. This is beautiful. So this was 6, and there's also an ink refill. Forgot to mention that on the other one as well. So they come with ink refills. Sorry about the noise. My mom was in the kitchen, so I decided to stop. So let's go ahead and proceed. So we got 7. This one is so cute. And 7 is a sticker book. Woohoo! So we've got the little standard sheet that always comes with the 2 little pens. Is this a hint for what's coming? Because that is gorgeous. That would be a gorgeous blue pen. So let me flip through the pages for you guys. I love the colors. Look at that spread. It's beautiful. The one for your Hobonichi. Super cute. So 7 was a sticker book. Okay, then 8. 8 is, oh, it's a cute little charm with a little rhinestone. Cute little bow. 9 is another pen. Oh, I like the sticker. You know it's a pen from the shape. But what color is this one? Please. Ooh. Guys, this is gorgeous. So, it's like a slate gray matte. These are the crystals. Gorgeous. This one's really pretty and classy. The ink, we'll move that to the side. 10. Ooh, 10 is interesting. 10 is very interesting. What is this? I don't want to say. And is this a bag? I want to say it's a bag. It's a shopping bag. A reusable one. That's what I feel like this is. Okay. I don't know what this is. I don't even think I opened this correctly because I feel like I just moved it. So, I mean, what's in it? Okay, when someone figures out how to open this, let me know. I'm just gonna wait till the end. Okay, 11. Pretty sure it's a bag. Ooh, 11 is very interesting. So it is a pen clip, but a metal one. And look at the cute little VillabeauTIFFul perfume bottle. Very, very interesting. And it's a clip-on too. How cute is this? Here's your pen holder. And then 12. Well, it comes with paper too. Let's look at the paper first because I'm dying to see what's in here, but let's go through the paper first. Okay, so we're taking a diverge. We're gonna diverge. We're gonna take a break basically from the 12 and go into the paper. Ooh. So vellum. I like it. I like the little roses. We got this paper design. The little stars look adorable. Rose gold stars. Okay. Little bows. Ooh, this looks pretty. I like this one. And this is the last paper. This one right here. This is my favorite. I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite shade for the whole box. I love the color scheme. Okay, let's look at 12. Ooh la la. And 12 is no way. Is it what I think it is? So we've got like a nude pink, and yes, you can store all your pens in here, your supplies. So it's a cute little pen pouch or planner supplies, however you want to go about it. But let me zoom out just a bit so y'all can see it. It is super cute, and you can add in your charms and everything. As a final recap, here is everything that was inside the box. I undid the reusable bag, so it is super cute. Just throw that in your purse. And then we have the pens right here. which is always our favorite. I love that they're all matte finish. And I also unrolled some washi for you guys. The first one are little bows. And the second washi has the view from the vanity. I love that it has a little palette on there and a little perfume. Super cute. Everything was adorable. This box did not disappoint. Thank you all for watching my first video. Bye!